YouTube. I'm Erick Chua, and today we're going to be talking about algebra expression known as the skeleton. Okay, let's get started. First thing you want to know is your formula. Your formula is going to be a plus b cubed equals a cubed plus 3a squared b plus 3a b squared plus b cubed. Okay, that's gonna be your formula. Let you know your formula. They're gonna give you something like, alright, let's start simple. X plus 5 squared. As you can see, and you're wondering, how am I gonna get my A? How am I gonna know what's B? Simple. That's your A, and that's your B. Okay, after that, you start plugging in numbers. X cubed plus 3 x squared 5 plus 3 x 5 squared plus 5 cubed. Okay, and as you can see, A, B, A, B, B. Okay, so this is how this works. 1A, 1A, 2B, 1A, 2B, and right here it's just an exception. The last one's B. Okay, after that, all you want to do is simplify all that. So let's start again. X plus 5 cubed equals, okay, x3 plus 3x squared plus 3x 25 because of the square root plus 125. 5 times 5, 25 times 5, 125. Okay. Now you're not done. You haven't finished. x3 plus 15x squared plus 3 75x plus 125. And that's it. X plus 5 equals 5 cubed equals this. And this is where you stop. It's in standard form. Therefore, you are done. It's not hard. It's just a lot of numbers go into it. This form, well, this the first example was a positive example, adding because of here. But in case, in another example, say we have 3x squared minus 7. It changes, not a lot, it just changes some signs. If it's a negative, the formula is gonna be A minus B squared minus B squared, equals A cubed minus, that's the difference, plus minus 3 A squared B plus 3A B squared minus B cubed. Okay, so not much changes, only 1, 2, 3 signs. But it's the exact same steps. All you're gonna do is do it negative. Okay, say we have this 3x squared minus 7. Should automatically know that this is your A and this is your B. You're gonna repeat the steps. You're gonna plot them in, and I'll be back when I'm done with that. Okay, now that they're plugged in right here, same thing as the other one. You solve. Okay, so 3 x6, because the exponents, minus 3 squared, 4 to the 4th power, 7 plus 9 x squared times 49 minus 343. And you keep going. Okay, so this is gonna equal 27x6 minus 9. Okay, so it's gonna be 3 because of this one, parentheses x to the 4th power. To the 4th power, that's correct. 7 plus 441x squared minus 343. Okay, so all you need is one more. 27x6 minus 189x to the 4th power plus 441, I'm sorry about that, 41x squared minus 343. Okay, so that's how you do a negative skeleton formula, and that's how you do the process. It's the same thing as a positive formula. The only difference is that you change 3 signs actually. The first one, this one, and the last one. Okay, and don't forget to box your square. Don't forget to box your answer. And that's your answer. Okay, now that I helped you and I showed you how to do the correct way, so how to use the skeleton. The skeleton, all you have to remember is where to plug in the numbers, and you'll be alright. Just remember that your A, what's your A and what's your B, and remember when to cube them and when you have to square them. Also remember when you do a negative formula, all you have to do is change 3 signs. Actually 2 signs in the formula. The first three after the A cubed, and the last one before the B. Okay, well hopefully this was a good example now that I showed you a positive and the negative ways to do the skeleton. Hope to see you soon, and good luck. Hope this video was helpful. Erick Chua will not be responsible for any Fs or any damage in your grade. Please, restrictions apply.